felt a kind of love like this before. You took all the worries from my mind. Darling, please forgive me if I stay a little more. I can't look away from those brown eyes. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We can take our time and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. Darling, tell me all about the dreams you had last night. You can be so restless in your sleep. I ain't going nowhere, always feels so very right. When you find good love, it's the one that you should keep. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We can take our time.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. Heading off down to Bruce's to go and have a look. Looks like there's a little bit of swell running this morning, a little bit of wind swell, and also going to take down a little USB card to Bruce's coffee shop just so we can, I've got 2024 all the sessions on the card, and we're going to go and pop it up on the TV there, and then go and have a look at some waves, and then also go and see what the beach breaks are doing too. So let's go.
I can't take another night without you by my side.
So guys, the easterly wind has been pumping, and that means it's onshore, which is good for the beach breaks. But yeah, the westerly is going to turn in about an hour or two, and it's meant to be like gale force wind. So the swells most probably not going to last very long. But let's go and check out Bruce's. Here's the Bruce's coffee shop. Anyway, just gonna pop the video up for the guys, and let's see if it works. And I'm just gonna pop this in. Okay, let's see if we can do this. It's not working. Okay guys, so that didn't work, so there's only one thing left to do. Film some Bruce's. And guys, as you can see, the west has just arrived. There it is. See how quickly it's just turned. There it is, and it looks like it's going to be, it's going to pump. Yo, the waves actually, they're beautiful shape today, but yo, this wind. Yeah. It's dropping off very quickly. You can see this, guys. Yeah, the wind has really literally been half an hour since that wind has turned and come through, and yeah, dropping off very quickly. Yo, pedal! Oh no! Look what you missed! Okay guys, just grabbed a little coffee and I'm going to head down to the groins just to see what's happening down there. Like I said, the swell's not going to last very long, most probably in an hour if we're lucky. So yeah, let's go and see what the boys are doing down there. Bottom section's looking pretty good. Super windy though. Hey guys, I'm down at the groin and it seems like it's handling the swell a little bit better than the other spots. So, but yeah, Bruce's is blown out, but yeah, definitely something here. Anyway, we'll check it out. It was breaking on this side of the groin and running across the back of it.